How to replace the word in the entire text in Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can replace the word in MS Word. For this, you first want to open the MS Word in your laptop or PC. Now open the document that you want. Over here, you have different ways on how you can replace the word. The first one is on the home panel, you have the option of replace. Once you click on it, this box is going to appear. Another way is to press Ctrl+H. Once you do that, this box will appear. Now, if you only want to find the word, you can simply type in the word. If you want to highlight that word, you can click on Reading Highlight and click on Highlight All. Once you do that, you will find that the words have now been highlighted. If you want to replace it, then head over to the Replace tab. Here, on the option of Find What, you want to enter the word. Then, type the word that you want to replace it with. Once that is done, click on the option of More. Now from here, select the option of Find Whole Words Only. Once you do that, click on the Replace All option if you want to replace all the words. Once you do that, you will find now that the word has now been replaced. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.